Hey guys, Joe with BitRaged here. Maybe you woke up this morning and you're looking down here and you're seeing massive drops like 30%, 40%, 20%. Bitcoin is down 16%. We're down $200 billion in market cap literally overnight. And I've got to tell you, if this scares you, if this worries you, you probably need to get out of cryptocurrency because it's not the market for you. This is the kind of volatility we can see from a market like this. Okay, you need to understand that going into it. You can't expect a uptrend forever, right? These kind of corrections will happen. I think a lot of new people coming into cryptocurrency, they think it's literally one long uptrend all the way to the top. It doesn't happen. That is not real life. That's not accurate. So what is going on with the drop here? We've done some videos on this in the past, but we keep seeing more and more people asking questions and also just more of a drop. You know, this is a pretty massive correction in the market. So let's kind of look at what is going on here. In September, China was trying to crack down on Bitcoin trades. They're trying to put in legislation and regulations to do that. Yesterday, news came out that they're trying to extend that and really close all the exchange-like services. So they're really trying to crack down on this and regulate cryptocurrency trading heavily in Asia. And you see this in South Korea, China, pretty much the big markets for the exchanges, the big countries that the exchanges are in. You're seeing these kind of news stories. And this is prompting a lot of people to freak out and start selling everything they've got. Don't do that. Absolutely do not do that. Why would you take a 20, 30, 40% loss on your investment when you can wait? This is not going to continue forever. It's like this guy said here, Paul, the amount of money waiting to come in makes a prolonged bear market close to impossible. Everyone that matters is looking into crypto right now, and it really is everyone. He makes a really good point. There are a ton of people trying to get into crypto, and they can't. There are regulations that they're having to deal with. There are exchange issues. You know, the exchanges are closed. But there are a lot of people trying to get in, and the interest is just booming. So this is not going to continue forever. We're going to start to see an uptrend again, so don't freak out about it. Again, here's a news story about China trying to really crack down on cryptocurrency. If you look up crypto ban in Asia, you'll see a ton of news stories, and you can go look at that. This is why people are freaking out, though. I want to show you what happened last year. This is January 5th to about January 12th. Okay, and we saw a 35% drop back there, and it just illustrates that this is the kind of drop and correction that we can see in a market like this. It's not that unheard of or that odd, right? So don't start freaking out. You know, we see a lot of these kind of corrections. Obviously the trend has been up, but you'll just see these corrections, and it's not a continuous uptrend, right? So don't expect to go into cryptocurrency and see just one massive uptrend and no corrections. It's not going to happen. This is recent, so we see quite a big spike down, and this is what's really freaking people out. We went from 14,000-ish, now we're down to 12,000. And we were down to 11,000 something. So people are really freaking out about this and panic selling. You got people recently and last year selling their house, mortgaging their house to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And we just recently got a comment in one of our videos asking what ICO to invest their student loan money into. And I've got to say, if you're investing a loan, if you're mortgaging your house, If you're investing money you can't afford to lose, you need to stop that, okay? You need to get out of cryptocurrency, because you should never invest money in any market that you can't afford to lose, especially the cryptocurrency market, because we can see this kind of a drop. We can see this kind of a drop. We can see major corrections in this market. And you have to know that going into it. You have to be prepared for that going into it. Now, what can you do in a market like this, in a downtrend? Well, what I would do is I would start buying some of these cryptocurrencies, some of the altcoins that are down quite a bit, because this isn't going to continue forever. So you can get a really good deal on some of these crypto that are down. And then when it goes back up, obviously, you'll be making profit. But don't go to YouTube and search what altcoins to make me $1 million in 2018. You'll find a lot of results. You'll see, you know, this guy here, 400,000 views. You'll see this guy here, 50,000 views. See this guy claiming to make $1 million per year mining Bitcoin. And then he has a course, how to build a 6-figure cryptocurrency income. Now, if I can make $1 million mining Bitcoin, why would I want to build a 6-figure income when I can build a 7-figure income? So that's a discrepancy. Why are there so many videos like this? Well, it's because they're getting a ton of views. This is really popular. But don't expect to take $1,000, dump it into cryptocurrency, and then next year wake up and have $1 million. Not going to happen. You're going to wake up, and you're going to look, and you're going to see this kind of a correction. And it's going to freak you out. So again, don't go out and sell everything you've got. This is a correction, but don't take a loss on your investment. Just hold it and wait for the correction to start going the other way, till we start to see the uptrend again. There is a ton of money coming into crypto in the near future. We're not going to see this continue forever, this downtrend. Anyways, that's it for now. If you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot more planned for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.